Alright. Round 2 is Rex on Eclips. I'm still getting flashbacks to this loader when I grabbed that meteorite. Alright. Oh yeah, there was also that time that the game bugged out. I couldn't continue, or no. The Moon Man grabbed my items. Then detonation started. And then I couldn't get to the land zone because I had nothing. But now, I'm gonna wreck this guy into tiny little frickin' pieces. Because I was lucky enough to get a soldier syringe printer. God, does that help. Alright, time to stop you moving. And I know exactly what to do. As long as I don't get hit. Yeah, don't get hit like that. So I got lucky with a few red items. I got a Dio. Actually, no. The first one I got was from the Void, which was the Frost Relic. Then I got a where is it? Oh yeah. Then I got a Dio. Then I got a Happy Miss Mask. Right, two red items in a row. And then I got a Tesla coil. It's big. I'll take it, but I could really use something else, like double my healing or Canoon's Opinion, whereas when you heal, you get health. Or no, what am I saying? No, Canoon's Opinion is where haunting skulls go when you're healed. I can't really do English too well, can I? Hey, what are you doing? You little... Ouch! I don't like it too much. Get out of here. I don't want to see your ugly mug in here again. Oh, I didn't know they could fire balls. Balls like that don't belong here. Get out of here. So get out of here. Get out. Hey, what's up on your level? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do? Yeah, that's right, you're gonna die. Hey, what are you doing over here? Yeah. Alright. But I got marked for death as well. Oh, God, that hurts! Okay. Don't get hit by that. Yeah, that's right. Speed. Alright. Don't move. He gets stuck in my vines. Alright, he's doing the thing. I barely dodged that one. That is the whole other lane. I think in the direction of which the thing spins is totally random. Alright. No moving. Ah! God, didn't know that would hit me! Not doing too well on damage, but the speed helps for it. Are you gonna walk this way? Yeah, that's it. Get stuck right there. Oh, wait, I have a teddy bear? Oh, I do. Okay, so that's how I survived that. Yeah, boop. And a boop. So go left, right, and then right again. Alright, now I need to get out of here. So the strat is to get right here, because you can just move over here, and so his little projectiles don't get you. Alright. Stick him. So my syringes do help him with that little attack of his. Ooh. He should be stuck right now. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. Oh crap, he had one of my Dios. Alright. You little muncher. Alright, I'm going straight for you. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care about you. Yeah, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do, huh? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? Get planted on. Alright, I'm out of here. Whoosh. Boosh. Alright. That went off without a hitch. Alright, get some health back from that fall. So, is it the soldier syringes that lets him do that little slam where he summons the balls? Is it that? Do the syringes help with that? Or is it the magazine? I think it's the magazines. I think. I'm not entirely too sure, but it's but whenever he slams the ground and the balls go around in a circle, I can't tell if the item soldier syringe helps with that or if it's the backup magazine which helps with that. I don't know too well. And push. I don't know if I have time for it. I don't know if I have time for frog. I think. Maybe? Yeah, I got time. Alright. Time for frog. Yeah, it didn't take me too long to actually get here. I still got at least 2 minutes. Yeah, we got frog. We got frog. Whoosh. Alright, get out of here. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Yay. Whoosh. Whoa. Yeah, I gotta make sure I don't get hit by those things too many times, because I think it's like, I don't know, 3 or maybe 5? I don't know. Just don't get hit by those too many, because they can stop you in your tracks. Alright, I'm out of here. Get out of here! Get out! Alright, and that's it. Thanks for watching.